Hello there, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll share a DIY version of a productivity tool I love very much. It's called Analog from a super cool brand, Ugmonk. The reason I wanted to come up with a DIY version is, it's not a cheap product that I can just order and see if it will work for me. To make sure I'll use it, I wanted to have something similar on my desk to test and see if I want to buy the original one. I'll link the two products I got from Amazon in the description below. It's pretty straightforward actually. You need a deck of papers or cards and a container to store them. One thing I liked about Analog is that you can see today's tasks in front of you at a first glance. So that's why I looked for a container where I could put the cards vertically, and luckily I found this business card holder. I bought the notebook after I was sure about the container I'd get to make sure they fit. I got this lined A7 notepad. It's micro perforated, so it's easy to remove. I like the off-white paper color, but you can get the white version as well. I'll link both. I start tearing out the pages and save the cover and the cardboard. You can cut this from here, and then you should also save the cardboard and back cover and front cover. What I did was ripping them and then cutting them so they have the same height as the papers. I'm not gonna do all the steps for this notebook. I'll just show you the one I'm using now. I placed them into container in this order. Cardboard, cover, it could be back or front cover, it doesn't matter. I really like the orange color and it's just a little bit visible when you see it on your desk. So make sure you choose a notepad that you like the color of the cover. And then I put the paper deck, the back cover, and this is today's card. So it will look something like this. I wanted to keep it as simple as possible, so I don't have any future or someday papers for now. But if I wanted to, I would cut some papers in a different color to distinct them and put them behind the cardboard so they are away from my sight. Let's say this is my future or someday card. I will just put it here. You can also separate them with some specific color or a cardboard. So make sure you use a different color for each card type. Now you have a new to-do list system. I've been using it like this for a few weeks now, and it's working pretty well for me so far. Before I forget, I also bought this modeling clay because I was excited to make the exact stack that Analog has with clay instead of wood, but I'm happy with my current setup. I just wanted to mention it as an idea that you can try. Now I should figure out what I'm going to do with this clay. Maybe I can make a cuter version of this container and then paint it. I'm not sure. Should I make a video of it? Let me know what you think. That's all from me. Take care and be kind to yourself. See you in another video. Bye bye.